If you want to learn inventory vouchers, then this video is for you. You need to stay with me and watch the full video till the end. Hi guys, this is Amitabh. Welcome to my channel Tutorials Hub Tally. So without wasting any time, let's start learning. Inventory vouchers. Tally.erp9 inventory vouchers perform the same function in the inventory system as accounting vouchers do. They are the means by which you enter transactions relating to the inventory. The vouchers record transactions relating to the issue and receipt of stock, the transfer of stock between godowns, and physical stock adjustments. The following inventory vouchers are available in Tally.erp9. Purchase order, sales order, rejections out, rejections in, stock journal, delivery note, receipt note, and physical stock. First of all, let's talk about purchase order. A purchase order entry has to be made in the books of the company to assist them in checking whether the goods have been received or not. The purchase order number can be used as a reference. For example, the company wishes to place an order with the supplier for some goods. Next is sales order. A sales order entry has to be made to record as shown in the screen. The sales order number can be used as a reference. For example, a customer places an order with the company for purchasing some goods. Next is rejections out. A rejections out entry is passed to record the rejected goods. This is a pure inventory voucher. For example, we have purchased some goods and have rejected a part of it. Next is rejections in. A rejections in entry is passed to record the rejected goods. The rejection in entry is a pure inventory voucher. For example, a customer has rejected goods that was sold earlier. Next is stock journal. To record the consumptions of goods, there is no need for entries on both sides of the voucher. Such entries can be entered in a stock journal voucher. For example, the company transfers items of stock from the warehouse to the shop. Next is delivery note. Goods that are being delivered to a customer are recorded in a delivery note voucher. Next, receipt note. Goods that are received from the supplier are recorded in a receipt note. That is goods receipt note GRN voucher. Next is physical stock voucher. Tally.erp9 considers the stock available based on the entry made in a physical stock voucher. For example, on conducting a stock check, the company finds a discrepancy between the actual stock and the recorded stock figure. That's it guys. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep supporting me like this. Please share my videos with your nearest one. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the regular updates. You can click on the info card to watch my previous videos, or you can click on the playlist from info card to know elaborately.